So, in our last video, we had already discussed about what are the dimensions of business environment. We got the intro part, that is there are 5 dimensions, 5 factors which are used in business environment, that is economic, social, political, legal and technological. I already discussed about what kind of examples, what kind of techniques we will discuss under these topics, and in this video we will talk about in detail what kind of factors and as well as what is the meaning of these environment, as well as these kind of impact, these kind of forces, how it will impact to your organization. So let's begin with our very first concept, that is economic environment. What do you mean by economic environment? My dear, economic environment is generally dealt with all kind of economic stuff like interest rates on housing loan, as well as interest rates on your any loan provided by RBIs, or impact of inflation on the organization, as in whenever inflation came into the organization, it became that products, raw materials as well as each and every cost became costly, but they can achieve or earn the profits at the least. In case of inflation, they have to suffer maximum cost, maximum losses, as well as they can retain or they can earn minimum profits. So my dear friends, it all impacts the economic factors of the organization as well as economic factors given or raised by the organization's government as well as society also, as in their earnings, their resource utilization is beneficial to the economy or not. Is they are producing economic friendly or e-friendly, I must say that particular product pollution friendly type products or not, or they are impact to having harm to our environment also. So let's discuss economic environment. Examples are interest rates, inflation rates, stock market indices. Indices is generally used for indexes. Indexes and the value of rupee are some economic factors. Value of rupee as in compared to dollar, what's your value of rupee is going to the is also impact to your business environment. For example, high inflation rates generally results in constraints on business enterprises as they increase the various costs of business, such as purchase of raw materials, machinery, payment of wages and salaries, etc. In case of inflation, your cost will increase and your profit will go down. So obviously it will impact to your organization and its resources too. Next is social environment. Yeah, social environment is basically deals with how your business is doing for the society, as well as how it is managed as per the society, as in it will impact to the trends, as in it will impact to the values of the product, as well it will impact to the customers or not. So they all factors come under the social responsibility of an organization. It includes social forces like custom, tradition, values, trends, society, expectation from business, etc. Like what kind of custom you are following, what kind of trends you are following. Like for an example, in case, let's talk about the custom. In case of Diwali or Eid, the major grand festival in our India, then we need to elaborate that in both of these festivals, a sweet shop manufacturing or production of sweets as well as greeting cards is increased. In case of your favorite week in a year, that is Valentine week, sales of cards, greeting cards, chocolates, teddy bears, chains, keychains and many such more things get increased. So it all become to decide whether these all kind of factors is impacted, as well as what kind of organizational benefits is gone to the custom or to the religion or to the, I must say, different regions. You have to decide whether which kind of business organization will grow and when. Next is Traditions defines, what do you mean by traditions here? See, defines social practices that have lasted for decades. Like in season of Diwali, Eid, it gives a financial opportunities to sweets, greeting cards and many other related business enterprises like crackers. What does that other related business enterprises which are used or which are maximized in case of Diwali or Eid, like shopping. Shopping means you will buy clothes or crackers or to buy a vehicle, etc. These kind of businesses will grow at the time of Diwali or Eid. This is the general practice. This is our tradition. Next is value refers to a concept that a society holds in high esteem. What do you mean by value? Value means society holds in a high esteem. Like what does that opportunities come to me? What is the freedom given to me? How I can use my resources? From where I can put my efforts? This all depends on values. As in freedom, social justice, equality of opportunities, etc. Next is social trends. What do you mean by social trends? Present various opportunities and threats to business enterprises. It provides present opportunities and threats. Like in case of fashion industries, they require to adapt dynamic environment so that they change their design as soon as possible. It will be opportunity and according to the accountability. Like if your change in fashion, if there is a change in fashion, for example, remember the 90s kids or 90s generation, they are using where to use hat, and the hat is totally a different what kind of hat we are using right now, as well as what kind of the stuff, pants, shirt, what kind of they are wearing, we are using totally different. As in at that time they are using a low t-shirt, low jeans, low trousers, and as well as they have to loose trousers, I must say. But right now the trend became to the tight jeans, tight dresses. It all depends on factors what should be changed in the trend. Next, technological environment. Yeah, it represents that what kind of technologies or how technology will impact your organization, as in whether you are required to adopt new technology or not, or you require to adopt at the same time, or you can do it later, or you can ask to do it later, or you can take a time that let's see our competitor got the technology and if he succeed then I will succeed. As in for example, मेरे को कोई टेक्नोलॉजी यूज करनी है, मैं यूज नहीं कर रहा, जस्ट बिकॉज मैं ये चेक कर रहा हूँ मेरी ही सेम इंडस्ट्री में कोई दूसरी कंपनी उस टेक्नोलॉजी को कितना यूज कर रही है, और अगर यूज कर रही है तो वो उनके प्रोसेस, उनकी प्रोसीजर्स, वो टेक्नोलॉजी फुलफिल हो रही है, फॉलो हो रही है, तो तब तो हम भी अडॉप्ट करेंगे, अदरवाइज हम अडॉप्ट नहीं करेंगे, बिकॉज दिस इज अ टू कॉस्टली रीजन. लाइक in case of producing a product via using a machines, you are shifted from machine to robotics. You need to pay for robotics, for robots, etc. So in that case, in that your resources, you are required to check whether robotics is required to your organization or not. This all factor depends with your technical or technological factors. Like includes forces related to scientific improvements and innovations. What does that mean, scientific improvements and innovations? Scientific improvement here means experiments based on experiences or observations. As well as what does that mean, innovations? while providing ways of producing goods and services, new ways, new strategies, how to produce the goods, how to accumulate the resources, how to get the best efficiency and effectiveness in our business targets. It all depends on innovations. As in, I must say, it is deals with new ideas. Producing goods and services and new methods and techniques of operating a business. Like airline companies have internet and worldwide web page where customer can trace their flight timings, estimate destinations, booking fare. Like if you want to book a air flight, then you don't need to go to the airport and got in a queue and ask for a ticket that I want to go from this place to this place. You need only one thing, that is internet and knowledge of internet. That is, you need to search about what kind of flights are there from your source to destination, what are their timings, what are their bookings, what is their fare, is there seat availability or not, is I am getting a window seat or not, or is I am getting the middle seat, or is I am getting the seat preference or not. All the stuff is come at your single click only. You don't need to stay in a queue, you just need that your organization is dealing with this kind of facilities or not. Like in today's scenario, if your organizations are not providing your facilities, your services to the customer in his hand, as in his or her mobile or in his or her apps, anything you have to deal with, that your customer don't want to come your company for each and every further process, each and every services. These all should be get at one place, and that one place should be accessed at anywhere. Then only your organization will grow. Like in case जब हम जोमेटो से या स्विगी से खाना ऑर्डर करते हैं, फूड ऑर्डर करते हैं, मील ऑर्डर करते हैं, तब अगर मेरे को किसी कंपनी का या किसी होटल का खाना अच्छा नहीं लगता, आप लोग क्या करते हो? आप लोग जोमेटो में जाके उसकी रेटिंग खराब करते हो, या फिर आप पर्टिकुलरली उस होटल में जाके उसको बोलते हो कि भैया आपका खाना अच्छा नहीं है, योर फूड इज नॉट गुड. व्हाट गाइज यू विल डू? ऑब्वियसली यू विल डू, सर हमारे पास जोमेटो का ऑप्शन है, हम क्यों वहाँ पर होटल में जाएंगे. मैं भी वही कह रहा हूँ कि आज के टाइम पे अगर आपको कोई भी बिजनेस करना है तो आपको टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ में यूज करते हुए करना पड़ेगा. आपको अपनी फैसिलिटी सर्विसेज कस्टमर को प्रोवाइड करनी पड़ेगी और इजी मैनर में प्रोवाइड करनी पड़ेगी, सो दैट उसको बार बार इधर उधर के चक्कर नहीं काटने पड़े. यू नीड ट्रांसपेरेंसी विद द हेल्प ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट, political environment. What does that mean, political environment? Anything or any rules and regulations governed by the politicians, or I must say the government, which should be followed or which should be impacted to the organization. Like political environment always impact your organization, as in suppose you want to ask to take a permission to purchase a land or to build a factory in the location, but the ruling party government don't want you to grow and they don't want to sign, or they will give you an excuses that you won't be able to build up a factory, you won't be buy a land, this is our land, we can't give you this kind of land, you are not following some rules and regulations. As well as if government wants, then they can punish to the whole organization, whole industry, as well as to the whole single person only. So it all depends on the various political factors, as in what kind of politicians, what kind of government has made their rules and regulations which may or may not impact your business environment. Now you have to check whether these kind of stuff is relevant to your environment or not. Like business success lies in the predictability of business activities under stable political conditions. Attitude of government officials towards business may have either positive or negative impact upon business. As in, आप गए किसी भी गवर्नमेंट ऑफिशियल के पास, सर मेरा ये काम करवा दीजिए ना प्लीज, और वो गवर्नमेंट ऑफिशियल बोलता है क्यों करवाएं, उस काम के बदले में हमें क्या मिलेगा? सर आपको आपकी फीस दी जाएगी, उस फीस से तो मेरा खाली घर चलता है, मेरे बच्चों की ट्यूशन फीस जाती है, इसके अलावा भी तो खर्चे होते हैं. मुझे मेरी वाइफ को शॉपिंग भी तो करानी होती है, मुझे मेरे बच्चों को ट्यूशन भी तो पढ़ाना होता है, मुझे मेरे बच्चों को गाड़ी भी तो दिलानी होती है, वो कैसे आएगी? अगर आप मुझे मेरी सिर्फ फीस दोगे तो वो सब कैसे आएगी? आई एम सिंपली टॉकिंग अबाउट ब्राइब गाइस, रिश्वत। जब भी अगर मान लो कोई गवर्नमेंट ऑफिशियल आपसे डायरेक्टली और इनडायरेक्टली ब्राइब लेने की बात कर रहा है, तो माय डियर वो चाहता है कि आपके वो अपने रूलिंग पार्टी होने का अपना बेनिफिट उठाए और आपके काम को रोक दे। बट ये अब हमारे में होना चाहिए, या तो आप उसकी बातें मानो, आप उसको ब्राइब करो, और या फिर आप ऐसे स्ट्रिक्ट हो जाओ कि भाई हम उसके बिना भी सब कुछ करके बताएंगे, देखते हैं कौन रोकता है। इट्स ऑल अप टू यू, एज इन या तो यू हैव टू पे अमाउंट और यू हैव टू सी हाउ वी कैन रिलीव देम। लेट्स टेक एन स्मॉल एग्जांपल विच इज नॉर्मली यूज्ड इन आवर जनरल लाइफ। सपोज करो आप कोई सा भी व्हीकल चला रहे हो, टू व्हीलर और फोर व्हीलर, और अगर हम बात करें फोर व्हीलर की, तो आपने सीट बेल्ट नहीं लगा रखा, और सीट बेल्ट नहीं लगाने के ऊपर आपके ऊपर रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस है एज पर मोटर व्हीकल्स एक्ट, दैट आपके ऊपर फाइन लगेगा। अब आप वहां पर गए, पुलिस ने आपको पकड़ा, आपने उसको बोला कि सर सॉरी गलती हो गई, आगे से नहीं होगा। वो इस गलती को क्या मान लेंगे कि हाँ भाई सॉरी, यस भाई आगे से नहीं होगा, ही इज अ वेरी डिसेंट पर्सन, नेक्स्ट टाइम इट वोंट हैपन अगेन? नो माय डियर, ही और शी विल चार्ज यू अ फाइन, अ गुड अमाउंट ऑफ फाइन। और उस टाइम पर हम क्या करते हैं? देर आर टू ऑप्शंस, या तो चालान काट लो या फिर थोड़े बहुत पैसे देके, थोड़ा बहुत रेंसम अमाउंट देके आप वहां से निकल जाओ। और मैक्सिमम लोग क्या करते हैं? लमसम अमाउंट देके निकल जाते हैं, वो चालान नहीं कटवाते हैं। तो इट ऑल डिपेंड्स हाउ योर रूलिंग पार्टी रूलिंग अ country as well as ruling your state or city also. Like motor vehicles act told you about that, there is a fine for no seat belt. Okay, there is a fine, but how much fine, it is all decided by the city, state respectively. How will they collect your fine? So these kind of all factors which are come under the politicians, which are the ruling parties decisions, are dealt with the political environment. Like something it took month to process their application of approval in government departments. ये तो होता ही है कि हम अगर गवर्नमेंट को ब्राइब नहीं देते तो हमको चक्कर पे चक्कर काटने पड़ते हैं, बार बार इधर से एक डिपार्टमेंट से दूसरे डिपार्टमेंट जाना पड़ता है, सो दैट सर प्लीज अप्रूव माय प्रोजेक्ट, अप्रूव माय प्रपोजल, अप्रूव माय टास्क। इट ऑल बिलोंग्स टू द गवर्नमेंट्स डिसीजन। और अगर इस बीच में कोई गवर्नमेंट पार्टी चेंज हो जाए, एज इन जो रूलिंग पार्टी थी वो आपकी रूलिंग ना रहे, तब वापस से आपको सारा का सारा काम वापस करना पड़ता है। नेक्स्ट, लास्ट बट नॉट लीस्ट, लीगल एनवायरमेंट। व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय लीगल एनवायरमेंट इज हियर? Legal environment generally deals with all kind of rules and regulations, laws, policies, penalties framed by an organization or framed by a government which you have to be followed. As in अगर गवर्नमेंट ने बोल दिया ना कि सर आपको इस प्रोडक्ट पे 10% का टैक्स देना है, तो माय डियर फ्रेंड्स आप चाहकर भी 10 की जगह 9 या 9.5 नहीं ले सकते, आपको 10 तो देना ही पड़ेगा, ना उससे कम ना उससे ज़्यादा। इट ऑल डिपेंड्स ऑन योर गवर्नमेंट्स लीगल रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस। एज इन अगर आप कंपनीज एक्ट फॉलो करते हो तो कंपनीज एक्ट में उन्होंने बोला हुआ है कि आपको इतनी, अगर कंपनीज अगर आप बना रहे हो फॉर एग्जांपल 50 करोड़ की कैपिटल के बेसिस पे बना रहे हो, या फिर फॉर एग्जांपल अगर आप अकाउंट्स मेंटेन कर रहे हो तो आपको एक चार्टेड अकाउंटेंट से ऑडिट करवाना ही पड़ेगा। अब करवाना है तो करवाना है, you have to do it. In case of companies, you have to file an audit report, you have to file every step which requires companies as well as ROCs, registrar of companies. You have to follow the procedure. You can't get back out and you can think that everything will be done while not following the policies and procedures formulated by government. So my friends, it includes various legislations passed. Legislations here means acts act, rules, regulations, circulars, etc. By the government administrative orders issued by the government authorities, court judgments, or here we can write about circular or notification. An adequate knowledge of rules and regulations framed by the government is a prerequisite for better business and performance. एज इन अगर आपको पता है कि मेरे प्रोडक्ट पे टैक्स कितना लगता है, मेरे प्रोडक्ट पे कौन कौन से लॉज लगते हैं, अगर कंपनी ने गवर्नमेंट ने मना किया है कि चाइल्ड लेबर नहीं रखनी, मतलब नहीं रखनी, फैक्ट्रीज एक्ट का प्रोविजन है, दिस इज अ प्रोविजन इन फैक्ट्रीज एक्ट दैट यू कांट एम्प्लॉय एनी चाइल्ड लेबर. व्हाट डज दैट मीन चाइल्ड लेबर? यू कांट एम्प्लॉय अ पर्सन हु इज एज लेस देन 14. अगर गवर्नमेंट ने ऐसा रूल बनाया है तो आपको फॉलो करना पड़ेगा. यू डोंट हैव एनी अदर ऑप्शन. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट, और अगर आपको ये रूल पता है, पहले से पता है, तो आप ऑब्वियसली वो चीज नहीं करोगे. लेकिन अगर आपको नहीं पता, उसके बाद आप गवर्नमेंट से ट्राई कर रहे हो कि आप डील कर लोगे, माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, यू वोंट बी एबल टू डील. यू विल गेट ओनली द पनिशमेंट्स एंड पेनल्टीज ओनली. Like advertisement of alcoholic beverages prohibited. In India, alcoholic beverages are not to be advertised. This is the provision. And if you are dealing with the alcoholic products, beverages, then you can't have to advertise them. But if you do advertise in your show off, then my dear friends, government will ask you to punish or to penalize for this particular prohibition. As well as in case of advertisements of baby food products, it is mandatorily informed by seller that mother's milk is best, etc. If you are dealing with the baby's food products, then you have to remark as a note that mother's milk is best. Or in case of tobacco products, you need to mark there that this is injurious to health. This should be highlighted seen to the customer. It should be seen so that each and every aspect of government rules and regulations is formulated and implemented accordingly. Clear, my friends? There are 5 dimensions of factors of business environment. Let's revise what are they. I had already told you about its shortcut to remember, that is PESLE, PEST and L. P belongs to political, E belongs to economical, S belongs to social, and T belongs for technological, and L belongs for legal. And what does that come? In case of political factors, we need to discuss political reasons why our business will not grow, how the ruling party will impact our business decisions. They all deal with the political environment. In case of economical environment, we will discuss about interest rates, inflation rates, stock market indexes, which will impact to our business organization. In case of social environment, we will discuss about customer trends, customs, or any values which impact to the business organization, any standards, any benefits for social responsibility or society or not. They all should be impacted to the business environment. In case of technological, you have to deal with what kind of new changes in technology required, as well as what kind of technology should be inbuilt or what kind of technology should be adapted as soon as possible, whether you have to wait to adopt new technology or not. Last but not least, it always deals with legal environment, that is legal forces, legal acts, rules and regulations framed by the government. You have to follow all these kind of rules so that your business will get better performed, and you have to be knowledgeable regarding each and every law and act applicable to your organization. Clear, my friends? Thank you.